recently I was at the mall and I wasn't really walking around, but it was like right after school and I was really tired, so I ended up sitting in front of a video game store where you could like see all the stuff they were selling. Some of the things that they were selling were consoles of like a PS3 and like 3DS. And I was staring at the 3DS for quite a long time. I've been wanting one for so long. There's so many games that I want on it. But anyway, I was like staring at it and thinking to myself, I remember the days when I used to play DS all the time, and my cousin would always call them dual screens because they're like DS, meaning dual screens, right? Correct? So I was thinking, and I was looking at these 3DSs and thinking, oh, three dual screens? That doesn't what? I don't understand. So I just kept staring at them even more and be like thinking how badly I wanted it and thinking how like why do they name it that? It doesn't make sense. So I thought about it some more and then I realized, oh, 3DS, meaning three-dimensional screen, because not three dual screens, because there's not like what I'd be like six screens, not like not two. Well, yeah. So anyway, it was really confusing at first, and then when I realized it's three-dimensional screen, I was like, holy shit, mind blown. I really did not know what to think about it. So yeah, that's my story of the day. I'm still kind of mind blown by the fact that it is called three-dimensional screen and that it stands for 3DS. Like it, 3DS stands for three-dimensional screen, and that's just whoa. Yeah, thanks.